hold on, watch this. I just noticed too, here's the other end of my loop, right? I normally connect it here, but hey, let's connect it right here as case, right? And you can see what happens. It's charging. Let's see, the first one I did was this one, as you saw in my last video, 1.5 watt, okay, 4.5 volts, okay. Now, let's see what happens here, because now we're trying one step up, which means everything in the world, guys. 4 watts, 12 volts. That's why, well, that's why I just ordered a bunch more. Yeah, we need to build our way up to 12 volts. Let's see what happens. I got stretch. Hold on. It's barely on there right now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There it is. There it is. There it is. But is it draining? That's the big question. Is it draining? Of course. I only got about 4.9 volts. I need 12 volts. But it's sustaining. No way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, the important thing here is it draining? I still have to retune everything. And this is still not 12 volts. You need more of these yet. This is the whole thing, guys. Alright. I'll be right back. Let's connect our loop. The loop-de-loop. This is the Mueller loop. I've been showing loops, guys, for the last 3 years, and I didn't even look at Stifler's videos, or I did, but I didn't constantly think I was following him at all. Don Smith, I didn't follow his videos. And believe me, there's so many similarities. I did my work, they did their work. We somehow have all these similarities. Believe me, I could, oh my God. Anyhow, blah, blah, blah. Oh, there it goes from semi-lit to very lit. And there's our instantly. Oh, does it go? 36 volts. Yeah, but no current and stuff, right? Alright. To 12, 26. Here we go, guys. This is the big thing here. Do we need more capacitance? Less capacitance? Is there too much capacitance? Come on. Clip on there, buddy. I'm frozen in time right. Up. Hold on, I'm not moving, man. I'm not gonna move. Come on. That's charged up in a second, though. That's the thing, guys. That's the thing. I'm trying to stay frozen right now. I don't mean to make this a long video, but this is unedited right here. And it's like, is it draining? Is it depleting? Oh. Like I said, I can still adjust it. That's pretty dang fast, and I could build some kind of circuit to switch it to, hey, if it takes 2 seconds to charge it, you know, in an hour to drain it, hey, that's pretty good, isn't it, guys? Matter of fact, now I'm already getting close to my coil and everything else, but let's just, if I can, just disconnect that. Pretty darn fast. Alright, we'll be right back. All of a sudden our LEDs light up. 14 volts now. Now. You know that's bright, man. And it is absolutely bright daylight outside right now. I mean, this is really... Hold on. It's draining now, isn't it? Went down. I only have one more of these capacitors left. And now we're going to go to 4 watt 12 volt to 7 watt 12 volt. Alright, 7 watt 12 volt. Yeah. 8. Dropping a little faster now. Yeah, we're gonna try to go from 7 watt to 10 watt. Alright. Oh, why is the view on my phone getting so dim? Something's going on my phone now. I hope you guys can see this. 14.44 volts. Now we have a 10 watt bulb. Remember, guys, the most I could be putting out, most, is 1.2 watts. I know I'm putting out less than that. Oh my God, that. Alright, now that's, oh my God, that's hurting my eyes now. Wow. I can't even see this now. I should turn. $13.94. Look how long it's taken to drop. Not even a tenth. That's 100th of a volt. What am I saying, right? Jeez. And I could still fix this. I could still adjust this more, man. This is nothing yet. I'm still scratching the surface, guys. That's a 10 watt. 10 watts. Let's get this guy. This guy is just blinding now. Oh my God, I can't even look at it. Wow. Alright, guys. I gotta think about this. Good things are coming.